Hey guys, Mike here from Muffler and Brake, and today we got ourselves a new video and a new vehicle. Today we got ourselves a 2018 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter V8. And on this one, the customer wanted something that was pretty aggressive. He actually already had a carbon muffler on here, but while he liked the way it sounded when he accelerated, he didn't like the drone. So he said, Mike, I want something aggressive like this carbon, but something that's not gonna beat me up on the highway all the time. So honestly guys, again, this is a no-brainer. We went ahead and went with our BlackWidow. Now, the only thing that we weren't sure about is I wasn't sure if this was going to be a little bit too aggressive. But this one we actually had in stock. This is the Neighbor Hater, the 10-inch long. And we had this in the 3-inch inlet and a 3-inch outlet. And that's what the customer wanted. So we said, okay, we'll try it out, see how it goes. So that's what we got. He's got 3-inch exhaust that he had purchased previously. We went ahead and put this BlackWidow on there. Took up a little bit of extra space for the carbon that was on there and hooked it up to the existing tailpipe. And have it coming out the side. So again, our part is basically just the BlackWidow, but the real question, like I said, is this gonna be too aggressive for him or is this gonna be just right? And how about that idle and that 2,000 RPM? Is it gonna be too aggressive? Well, let's get it turned on and see what you guys think. Oh man, guys, wow. I think you can agree, this really is the best of both worlds. Guys, I've told you guys before, BlackWidow, their slogan is all tone, no drone. I don't know how they do it, but man, they are not lying. You heard it as soon as they turned on the truck. It had a nice crack to it, but then honestly, after a few seconds, it really just kind of almost died out to where you almost couldn't even tell the truck was running for a second there. Then he went up to the 2,000 RPM, which should be about your regular highway speed. And it is, super livable, not very loud whatsoever. But then as soon as he gets on that gas, wow, does that thing wake up. And it wakes up really nice. Just a really nice deep tone, very aggressive. I think the customer's really gonna be happy with this. But like I've been telling you guys, we don't just specialize in your car's exhaust, we specialize in your car. So whether that means you're looking for a tune-up, alignment, AC, brakes, whatever, we got you covered, especially obviously if you're looking for the exhaust. So if you want your car running right, absolutely come and see us here at Muffler and Brake. And if you want your car sounding right, like this Chevy Silverado with the BlackWidow exhaust, absolutely come and see us here at Muffler and Brake today.